Hello viewers, today is our topic about how to add colors for a new project. So let's get in. First of all, we can see how to we can see that which color is by default. Now I am enabling the visual builder and want to see the colors by default. So selecting the one column row, I now add the text module and click on the design, click on text. Here are the default colors. Okay, so we are going to change this color. So go to the dashboard, click on the Divi theme option. These are the default pattern of the colors. So I want to change this. So I want this one. This was our primary color, and this one also be our color for the new project, and this one. Okay, then go to save the changes. Now going to check the colors. Okay, refresh the page. When the page is refreshing, you can go and subscribe my channel for the new videos, and also click on the bell icon. Now open the text module and click on the design, go to text, and here you can see the colors. We can when we start a project, we can add direct color from these. Okay, okay, save the changes. Thank you.